Hello. Welcome again to Theater Stories Nature. My name is British Cannon. We are here at Little Dell Lake Reservoir, as it were, in the Wasatch Mountains in the East Canyon, at the summit of immigration and between Parley's Canyon. Anywho, the legend has it this is the lake in which a golden Lightfoot wrote the famous song, The Wreck of the Edmund Fitzgerald. The Indians apparently called it Gichi, which is military Indian, who were also the ones who named the Yellowstone River Mitsiadazi. So there are many a steamer sunk at the bottom of this lake. If you will, we will go below the depths for just only a moment. I don't know if you saw any steamers down there, but I do not have my scuba gear with me. But on a more adventurous day, we might have a grand day out diving in the depths of the old Gichi, as the Native Americans called it. Anyway, this is Little Dell Reservoir in the Wasatch Mountains, and this has been Theater Stories Nature. Good day.